Hello, everybody. Welcome to watch our today's live show. I am Vivian, and she's my colleague Celine.
Yes, my name is Celine. Hello.
Yes, we are today's host, and today we will mainly introduce you our anti-static and dust-free workshops, and also the different production lines. And I think you already saw what we are wearing now. And yes, it's the dust-free supporting. And Celine,
yes.
Could you please help to tell what's their function?
Yes, sure, my pleasure. Friends, you can look at me because just now Vivian already mentioned that our workshop is 100% dust-free and anti-static areas. Sorry. And first, we enter to our workshop. We need wearing like this. First is the hat. We need wear the hat and hide our hairs inside. And then this is the anti-static gloves.
Yeah.
And on our hand, we also need wearing this anti-static bracelet. And also for the clothes, this is anti-static clothes. And for the shoes, we need wearing the shoes cover. Yes. Then we can go inside.
Oh, okay. So can we go now, Celine?
Yes, sure. Wait a moment. Of course, today we will give a full introduction for our workshops for you. But for the Tuff Plus workshops, for closed workshop, so we are not so sure the Wi-Fi or the internet is so stable. Maybe we will need some time to change the Wi-Fi. Then you can check, you can refresh it. Then you can watch our video again. But we will come back soon. Okay?
Okay. So let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. And you can see here, and this is to cancel our static. You put your hand here for the 3 seconds, then cancel the static, and also use this anti-static ring and stay here and put here.
Then the door.
Yes, it's passed, and then we will go into our air shower room. This air shower room can help to clean us before we go into our dust-free workshops. And turn around like this. Okay. And actually, our factory has totally 9 different workshops. And 6 of them are dust-free, and they are SMT workshops, model workshop, and also the other 4 different assembling workshops for the LED headlight bulb, LED shielding headlight, LED fog light, rear light, LED work light, LED light bar, and warning light exactly. And our first stop, we'll go to introduce our SMT workshops. But before then, I think we will need to change our internet signal because it's not so good. And you can flash your website later.
Yes. Maybe around 5 seconds.
Yes. Okay. Welcome back. You can see us now? Okay. And now you can see there is the air shower again.
Yeah, Vivian. Why?
Yes.
We just know. We just go inside. Already have the air shower room already. Why we need to go to the second time?
Because, you know, our SMT workshop and the module workshop are the 100,000 narrow of the dust-free workshop grade.
Yeah.
We still need to go into another air shower room to clean us again. Then we can go into our SMT workshop and the module workshop.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's go.
Yes. It's same need to around 8 seconds. Okay. Okay. And this is our first SMT workshop.
Yes, Vivian.
Yeah.
Can you introduce to us what is the main function and which kind of parts is produced for this workshop?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Let me introduce you the details. Come in here.
Okay.
This is our SMT workshop, and you can see this have 3 production lines. And the main product it produced is the PCB, the print circuit board, and from the solder paste printing to pick and place the electronic components, and to reflow soldering, and then for the final inspection. And now I will introduce you our full machine for one production line. Here you can see, yes, this is the first machine. This is the automatic loading machine. This machine can put the circuit board into next printing machine automatically instead of by a worker's hand. And this way we can better to protect our circuit board. And when the circuit board put into this and go to the second printing machine, yes, they will automatically go into the second printing machine. And here you can see this machine is doing the solder paste printing. And you can see inside will have the stainless steel plate. This steel plate can assist the circuit board to help them to print the solder paste more often. And also for our this machine, the solder paste we use now lead-free PB3, and also the solder paste storage temperature need to between 0 to 10 degrees. And camera here, yes, now it's doing the printing. You can see, yes, finish, and then the circuit board will go there, wait a moment, and then go outside to the next machine. Okay, you can see this is our computer. Yes, this computer, we already set our standards and our program to control the machine, how to print the solder paste printing. And after print the circuit board here, you can see it will go outside through here to the another machine. The circuit board, after the solder paste printing, will go into another machine, the STI machine.
STI machine.
Yeah.
Vivian, what's the special for this machine? Can you make more details for us so that we can know it better?
Yes, sir. This STI machine is the solder paste inspection machine. This machine is automatically to inspect and check the circuit board. Are the solder paste in the circuit board, are they in the correct way or not? And you can see here the computer.
This is the result.
Yes, the result for this circuit board is good. Good means it's past the standard, and it will go through to the next machine. And Okay, you can check. Yes, now it's doing the inspecting. And we use this automatic solder paste inspection machine can inspect our circuit board more quickly and exactly than use people's eyes. You know, people's eyes cannot see the small things easily, and maybe they will see the wrong, cannot find out the end product. So we use this automatic inspection machine, can save time and can 100% to make sure all our products are good. And then after inspection, the circuit board will go out and also move to another machine and to our next surface mounting machine. We have two surface mounting machine here.
Okay, Vivian, why you need so many the electronic parts mounting machine here? What's the difference for these two machines?
Yes, you can see we have two different surface mounting machines. And for the first one, this machine is mainly to pick and place the smaller electronic components. Now it's during the pick and place. Oh, now is the material is finished and is to change another new one inside. And you can see our second surface mounting machine. And this second surface mounting machine is mainly to pick and place the bigger parts of the electronic components.
Vivian, can you introduce to us for which kind of the electronic part is the small part? Which kind of parts are the big parts?
Yes, the small electronic components is like the LED chips, IC, skills exactly, and this machine is to pick and place the bigger parts like the electric capacity, electric inductance exactly. You can see now it's working to pick and place it, and you may see there is the camera inside, have the red color scan. Yes, this camera is to scan the components. Are the specifications are correct or not? If the machine pick up the wrong one, then the camera can catch it and to give it up and to pick up again to avoid any mistake.
Yes, so the inside the red box is about the defective electronic parts.
Yes, you can see the red box with the wrong electronic components inside.
Yes. Okay, what about next?
Okay, then after pick and place, the circuit board will go into next part. We'll go in here, we will have worker here.
So what is the function for this worker's job? Why you need workers here?
Yes, and the workers here is to recheck again our circuit board, which already placed the electronic parts. Are them all in the correct place and in the right way or not? And
so she has a standard?
Yes, you can see. And on that, we'll have the approved sample.
Okay.
And he will compare them one by one. Okay. You can see there have the different electronic components in the different places. So we need to check them one by one detailedly and see carefully. And also, it will have the operation instruction for the worker, tell them to know how to work, how to operation. Yes.
Okay.
And when the circuit board is okay, past the standard, then it will go through to the next machine again, and to this our next machine, reflow soldering machine. And this reflow soldering machine has up and down each 8 different temperature area.
Oh, totally you have 16 temperature areas.
Yes, yes, totally 16 different temperature area. And the different temperature area can much better to reflow soldering the circuit board to make them all the electronic parts on the circuit board can be best solidify again. Yes, okay. And you can see here we have the detailed record to mention what is doing every day, and also have the temperature guideline, and also the operation instruction here to know how to operating it. Yes, and after the reflow soldering machine, the circuit board will go out, and then in this end, we will have the automatic collecting machine here. When the circuit board go outside, this collecting machine will collect the circuit board automatically, directly, instead of by people's hand.
Okay, we can see. And Vivian, so for after this machine collect the finished circuit board, so the whole line and the PCB already finished.
No, not yet. And after collecting all our circuit board, and we will have the container. We will put our circuit board into the container and make the identification card to mention all their details, information, and status, and then put into that way the pending inspection area. Yes, you can see here that the finished circuit board here, and we're waiting for the final inspection. And you can see the container is in black and blue color because our products which pass the standard will put into this blue and black color, and the entry products will put into the red color. You can see that side will have the red color container.
Okay. So which kind of inspection you will do for the finished PCB?
Yes, you can see here, this is our inspection area.
Okay.
For the first position, and it's doing to check again the electronic components on the circuit board, and are they all in correct place, and are they all stable in the circuit board or not? We will check it many times to make sure all the products are 100% okay, pass the standard. And then after check it, then we'll go into the several different precision line, and they are doing the inspection of the electrical testing. Now you can see is the computer here, and to doing the electrical testing for it, and mainly to test the voltage and the current.
Yes.
And you can see our computer, we mark all the detailed information inside, and they will save the details into the computer. If you want to find out last entry's information, what's the inspection that you can only check with our computer is okay. You can find it anytime.
So every PCB you have the record in your computer?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
You save the record in our computer. And here in the red container, you can see is our NG product. For our NG product, we will have the mark here. Yes, this side is NG. We will need to send back to the reworking area to do the reworking. And if the finished product and pass the inspection, he'll go here to doing the package. Yes, you can see.
And each PCB will have the model number on it?
Yes. Yeah? It's the model number.
Yes.
Okay. And pack in the container and send them to our warehouse.
Okay, Vivian, we just saw that you have a whole wall for the stainless steel board. Why you need so many boards here?
Yes. You already see whole wall with our stainless steel plate here. And at the beginning, I have said the circuit board, when it do the solder plate printing, it will need the stainless steel plate help to assist, and they can do the solder plate print. And now you can see we are different circuit plate model. I will have different steel plates. And you can also see the numbers, the different model numbers will here. Yes. And the circuit board, when I did, have the different holes that you put in to the solder plate printing machine.
Yes.
Then if the solder plates will print here.
Yes. Then the circuit board will have the solder paste.
Yes.
Yes. And also for this stainless steel board, we have the label card. This is the label card management. Different models we can mark here. We will not mix them.
Yeah. All the different models will be here. Okay.
Okay, then we see other machines here. Maybe you can make some more introduction.
Yes, yes. And here, this machine. Yes.
Here, this working machine. What is the function for this machine?
Now it's doing the separating the circuit board automatically. And the traditional way will separate the circuit board by hand. Sometimes it will damage the circuit board, but now we have this machine. Okay. It can do the separated automatically. Don't need to use people's hand, and it will much more exactly and quickly to do it.
How about this machine?
Oh, this is AOI machine, the automatic optical inspection machine. Our circuit board will put into this machine, and this machine will check out each different component, electronic components in the weight. Are they incorrect or not? Are they missing? You can check. Yes, now it's doing the inspection automatically. Okay, then pass.
Okay, then the workers will collect the PCB. Yes, separately.
Yes. And okay, go here. This is our reworking area. Then the engine product and the engine in the red container, they will put in here and doing the reworking again. Yes. Now you can see the workers are doing the reworking. Yes, this is the engine product.
For the LED work line.
PSI is engine. Yes. Okay, after reworking the engine product, they will send back to the inspection area to inspection them again. And when then after pass the production standard, they then will during package and send back to our warehouse. And the SMT workshop production process will be finished here.
Okay. Very nice production. Introduction. Okay, women, can you let me know which workshop will you guide us to?
Yes, and next workshop, I will introduce our module workshop to you. And because the module workshop is also the 100,000 euro of dust-free workshop, same as the SMT workshop, and it's just nearby with this SMT workshop.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay. The module workshop is only nearby that way. And this module workshop mainly to produce the semi-finished products.
Okay. So for this workshop, your main product is for?
Yes, the main product is the semi-finished product, and the LED light module. Yes, for the different car brands in our domestic market.
So which OE customer you are working now for the LED module, the products?
And actually now we have cooperate with the brand like the Dongfeng, Southeast, Toyota, Huaida. Exactly, we have the deep cooperation with them.
So many big customers.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you show us the full production line for the LED module workshop?
Oh yes, yes. And in the module workshop, the main production line is first you need to give out the circuit board from our electronic components warehouse into here. The circuit board will be finished by the SMT workshop and then go into here. And then some the product maybe need to soldering the wire, some maybe need to soldering the terminal parts, and some maybe need to assembling the heat sink. Yes. They are not like our headlight assembling, and they are only the module and the semi-finished products. So we don't need to do so many different parts. And now you can see here. Here is the agent text. The machine, our agent text machine, is the automatic machine. We set up the program here. And then it can work automatically. And now the temperature we set up is 60 degrees. Yes, the voltage for the module products mainly will be the 13.5 voltage. And because they usually use in the car, and if some products use into the truck, then maybe we can set it up into the 24 voltage to test. And the agent test machine, one cycle will be 2 hours for the agent test. And now you can see they are collecting the products into the agent machine. When finished, then it will turn on and going to doing the agent test. And then let's go. Okay, you can see this computer. We have the computer to automatically control what we will do and how many pieces have finished in today and how many still waiting to do.
This is online the TV screen.
Yeah, yes. Yes, we have the record.
So we can monitor for every orders, the production status.
Yes. So you can monitoring them each time. Okay.
So for the LED module workshop, now I think the product is about the reading lamp.
Yeah.
So different lamps on the car, we can produce it. We can produce them, right?
Yes, yes. And after this, I will tell you another product. It may use another special machine. We will ask our supervisor.
Yes, the supervisor.
Yes. And now you can see after the agent text machine here, after the agent text, they will do the electronic text again. They also have the computer to control the inspection. Yes.
Okay.
Let's go inside.
Let's see the machine.
You can see here, they are doing the testing. This machine is the automatic inspection machine to mainly test the voltage and the current. And all the test information, the data, will save in our computer. And yes, soon we will have the record here. And also we'll have the operation instruction. Yes. And all the test information will save in our computer. And you can file it if you need anytime.
So this is the products when finish the aging.
Yes.
Yes.
Finish, then we will take it off and go here to do the testing.
Yes. Okay. For
you can see here the products. For this is the reading lamp. The reading lamp, they only need to assembling this switch and also these terminal packs. After finish, they can do the aging test.
So first they need to do in the solder paste. Yes, for the switch and for the terminal part.
Yes.
And then they will arrange the aging lamp for 2 hours.
Yes.
And then after this, they will do the electronic parts testing.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. And you can see some other products here. After finish, they will packaging into this transparent box and put into the container and waiting to the shipment.
This is the packing.
Yes. Now you can see there are many different products. Okay, and we will also introduce you our and other products. And this product may need to use this special machine.
Okay, so we will invite our colleague,
yes.
Mr. Huang here.
Yes,
you can see he is wearing for the different color clothes with us. This is international standard for the each workshop chargers. They will wear like this. This is the blue color. Yes, our workers like this were wearing the white color.
Yes.
And the quality control guys, the QC, were wearing the pink color.
Yes.
Yes. And the customer and the guest, they were wearing in the yellow color dress.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
这盏灯呢是我们的模组的一个前大灯的组装。
And this is the assembling module for the motorcycle.
Yes, for the headlamp.
Yes, the headlamp and the
indicator.
Position.
Position line.
Yes, position line.
Okay.
And you let them see the details. It's much more capacity than the other one. The red lamp is very simple, but this is very complicated, you know.
Complex.
Several different circuit board here, and also here.
This is the driver.
The driving board. Yeah. And with this heatsink is the aluminum.
Yes, all the parts are produced by ourselves. Yes.
Yes. And this two side is special. The circuit board is special, and this is a plastic part.
Yes.
And this part will be need to use this machine.
Yes.
可以帮我们介绍一下吗？
这个的话是它需要用热毛，然后我们的温度是180到200之间。
好，等一下。
So this is the hot rewetting machine. Yes, this machine, the temperature will set up to 180 to 200 degrees. Yes, and using these degrees, then we can do the hot rewetting for the PCB to the plastic housing.
Yes, yes. So you can see they have 3 points with 3 different temperature.
然后它起到的作用效果是，把这个连接处固定好，然后我们的锚点会有连刃的效果。
它就是要放到里面用一个那个这里就是先有一个那个 Let's see how it's working. Yes, now it's working now. Now you can see this is the crab.
Yeah, the clamp.
Yeah,
The clamp fix
this yes. Please. And you can see now it's very smooth and round to make the face of the circuit board here. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. 谢谢啊。
Okay. Okay, Vivian. So
Yes.
next we will come to another workshop.
Yes.
What's your plan?
And after this module workshop, we will go back to go out to the air shower, and then we will have another different assembling workshops.
Okay.
Yes.
Let's go.
Let's go. And actually, our factory at the beginning I didn't introduce. Now I can introduce you. And our company, the Foshan Tuff Plus Auto Lighting Corporation Limited, is the professional LED auto lighting manufacturer, and in China, more than 15 years experience.
15 years.
Yes, because we start our business from the 2004 and established the Tuff Plus brand since 2014. Yes. And actually this factory, the floor area is around 300,000 square feet and with more than 300 employees now.
Very big.
Yes.
We want to see other workshops.
Yes, we also have another 4 different assembling workshops.
Yes.
And also inside here, we also have the electronic components warehouse. And we not only have this warehouse, but we also have the finished products warehouse and other parts like the housing, aluminum, and plastic parts, the wire, harness. They are in the different warehouse.
Yes.
But the electronic parts warehouse are special. Only this warehouse into this dust-free workshop.
Okay.
So let me show you.
Yes. Before we put the raw material to our warehouse, we have a very special department for the IPQC department, the incoming products quality control department, to check all the goods. And if they're okay, then we will store the parts to the warehouse. So Vivian, can you introduce us what is special for your electronic parts warehouse?
Yes, sure. But maybe now we need to change our internet signal again. Yes, and you can refresh the website later around several seconds. Okay. Okay, welcome back. You can see us now. Okay. Now I would like to introduce you our electronic components warehouse here. And you can see.
Wow, very cool.
Yes. It's very satisfied. And here is our electronic components warehouse. And in this warehouse, we need them to be constant temperature and constant humidity. And you can see here with our monitoring system to do the monitoring for the temperature and humidity. And now at this warehouse, the temperature is 25.7 degree and the humidity is 45% humidity. And actually we have the strict requirement and for the temperature and the humidity. And the temperature need to be between 24 to 28 degree and the humidity need to be the 40% to 70%. If the standard not reached, you will need to have that machine. You can see the humidity machine. We can use this machine to add the humidity to let them reach the standard.
But why, Vivian? I don't understand why you need so strict control for the constant temperature and humidity for this warehouse. Why? What's the reason?
Yes, this warehouse is store all the different electronic components and our circuit board which finished from our SMT workshop. And the electronic components, they are sensitive. They are sensitive and they need to in the stable temperature and the humidity. Otherwise, it will be easy to damage. And also, our electronic components, their packaging and will be with very strict requirement. You can see there are many different containers here, and each the electronic parts will pack in the different container, and they need to store in separate and they cannot together. And you can see here, all our electronic components, when they come into our input inspection area, we will do the inspection firstly. After passed, then we will have this label, the pass label from our QC, and then they can go into this electronic component warehouse. And also you can see this is the identification card. All our electronic parts here will have this identification card to mention all the detailed information and the status of these electronic components. And you can see the detail models number, and when it gives out any parts, then all the details will mark in here. So
this is the label card management.
Yes,
very clear.
Yes, so you can see it very clear.
Yes, also as we know, Tuff Plus is using the ERP systems to control every department, also including for the material. So every material we have the unique the tracing numbers. Yes, we will set up then on our ERP system. Then every department, like our sales, PMC department, accounting department, and engineer department, and warehouse, they will know and control every goods. The direction runs to which part. We will check on our ERP system.
Yes.
So yes, it's very effective.
Yes. Okay. And I think you already have the comprehensive understanding for this electronic components warehouse.
Yes.
And then
Vivian.
Yes.
So finally, you will get to us to the finished products workshop, right?
Yes. And now, finally, we can go to the assembling workshop. And now I would like to introduce you the assembling workshop of our LED headlight bulbs. And it's just here. Let's go. Okay, you can check here. It's our assembling workshop for the LED headlight bulb. And also, all our workshop, the tax-free workshop will have this monitoring system. Now this workshop, the temperature you can see here is 26.8 and in the standard. Yes, and the humidity is 57%. Yes. It's in the best control now. Yes. So, and you can see this is our production line. We have 3 production lines for our assembling workshop of the LED headlight bulb.
Okay, Vivian. Because many of our customers have the questions for what is the difference for the LED bulbs with the halogen bulbs. Is there any difference you can show to us?
Yes, I will show you. But now, before that, I would like to tell you what's our production programs of our LED headlight bulbs.
Yes,
firstly,
sure.
Okay, and you can see firstly, and they will put the aluminum base and the circuit board and the wiring harness here. And first, we'll add the solder paste, and then doing the soldering wiring.
Okay.
Yes. And then later, we'll spool the circuit board, assembling the circuit board into the aluminum base, the body. Yes. And then after that, they will collect the wiring together. And because this LED headlight bulb not like the complicated product. is only with several parts. Yes. So the production line is much more simple. And the finished product will go here. It's not ready. This product is not ready. I'm still waiting to assembling the circuit board. Okay, you can see. First, they put the wiring here, and then the circuit board will solder the plate here. Yes.
So do you have any parts for doing the inspection for your goods?
Yes,
the finished goods?
Let's go here. Finished product will be here, waiting for the inspection. Okay. And after finish from the production line, and the LD pump will doing the aging tax firstly. This is our automatic aging tax machine. You can see here.
Yes, Vivian, this is also aging line. What is the difference for this aging line with your AD module workshop aging line? Is there any difference?
Yes, they have different. And first, the LD headlight pump aging test machine and also need 2 hours for one cycle. And the temperature, and you can set up to 60 degree and voltage for our LD headlight pumps. Normally, we will set up in the 30.5 voltage, but it has the different is it have different parts. And first part, turn on the headlight and doing aging, and then turn off.
Yes, you can see that headlight already turned off
for a while, and then turn on again.
Okay.
You can see it has the 0 cycle. Turn on, turn off, turn on, and turn off.
So it can test the headlight function very well.
Yes, because the LD headlight pump is installed into our car assembling headlight, and sometimes you will turn on the headlight, turn off the headlight. So it will something like you driving the car to turn on, turn off to test it. Are the quality stable or not?
Okay.
Yes.
So after the aging line, do you have any other tester? You know the conditions.
Yes. And after finish the aging test, then the products will go into here to do the final inspection. And all the products will do again to check the voltage and the current. And if past the standard, then they will go into the warehouse. Here is the LD headlight pumps warehouse. We have the many different shelves to put in our LD headlight pump here.
And also our headlights will store in this special package. It will protect the AD chips. Yes, harmed by other maybe crack. Yes, like this.
Yes, and if they found the NG products from our agent testing line, they will also go in here and doing the reworking again. And then after reworking, we'll go back to inspection again.
Okay.
And yes.
Okay.
Only the past product, the good product, the 100% past the standard product can go into our warehouse.
Also in the labor card management for this warehouse.
Yes.
Okay. So many goods. Vivian, can you show us more details for which kind of models you have now for the 80 headlight bulb?
Yes.
Yes.
And actually, now our factory has several different LD headlight series with the fan cooling and without fan cooling.
Yes.
And now I can show you one by one. This model is our fan cooling model. Yes, you can see the fan here. And this is the model is H4. It's our V9 version. For this version, the power is 48 watts. And you can see we have this And this can have left-hand drive and right-hand drive. And the LED chips for this model is our Chinese chip, but this chip is with the high power, and then it can show much more brightness. And you can see this is the connector, and this no gyro cam here. So it will much more easy to plug and play install.
Yes, this is plug and play. Very easy to install.
Yes. H4 collector. And this cranky for the H4, easy plug and play.
And this part we are using the copper PCB. You can see copper PCB can conduct heat much better than the normal PCB.
Yes. Okay. And we also have another fan cooling series, our V6 series.
Yes.
You can see here, also have the fan here. And this model, the power is 56 watts. The power is much more higher because we use the LED chip is import from the South Korea. Yes, it's 5 watts each. One LED bulb with 6 pieces. This LED chip.
So this is the output power.
Yes. And this series will have the driver here.
Yes, this is the driver.
Yes. And put out the driver, we can better to make the heat dissipation from our base. So the power can make it much higher. And the brightness will be much higher.
And more brighter.
This model is the 9012. The collector.
This is a waterproof connector.
Yes.
Yes.
And also for this V6 series, we also have without fan cooling. Their base is different because without the fan cooling here, it's only use the aluminum heat sink to do the heat dissipation. And also the LED strips are import from the South Korea, the Y22.
Yes.
Yes, 5 watts each. One bump with 6 pieces. The LED strips.
Very bright and very stable.
Yes, and this one, the power also be 56. It's no fan cooling. And some people would like the fan cooling, but maybe some people would like the no fan cooling. And this is the H1 model.
Yes.
You can see this H1 model. This hat, very slim.
Yes.
And because some cars assembling the hole is very small, if your hat is bigger, you will have to put in and install it. But we make it very slim and easy to install. So more than 90% of different cars we can fit in.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice.
And also for the H1, the connector, we like these 2 pins.
Yes, one is for the positive and the other one is for the negative.
Yes.
Ground line.
And we also have this version, our V4 and V4X series LED headlight bulbs. This model, first I will introduce you our H4. This is our H4 model. You can see we also have this here, and this model we also have the left-hand drive and right-hand drive. And this one can put the perfect cut-off line. And when you install it into the car's assembly, then you can see on the row have the angle. Then this pin is the safety pin.
Yes.
This pin can have the safety driving to the driver on the night at no glare to the opposite driver.
Yes, no glare.
But will give the more than 200% brightness on the road.
Okay.
And this model is no fan cooling. It's used their only body heat sink to the heat dissipation. And this model, the power is 36 watts. And you may think this power is lower than the other two models. But yes, the power is a little lower, but the quality stable is much better. And first, and we use this no fan cooling. You cannot worry about the easy to broken. And then, the LED chip we use is the also import from the South Korea. It's the Y19 model. Y19. Yes, 3 watts for each LED chip. And so 1 month you will have 6 pieces of the LED chips. And now this model also with the driver here, we don't put the driver inside the body, then this heat sink can be much better to doing the heat dissipation.
Yes.
And here is the H4 collector. You install this model into the car. You can have the safety pin, and this is the banky. You can put out and put in this banky, and to more easy to install.
Yes, the adapter.
Yes. And left-hand drive and right-hand drive option, then you can use it in all different countries.
Yes,
yes, maybe something like the Hong Kong. Yes,
Japan, Australia.
UK. Yes, they are use the right-hand drive.
Yes.
So we have 2 options. Then you can sell in everywhere.
Yes.
Okay.
Excellent.
Okay. We also have another 2 models. The H7, H1. The H1, the head also very slim to make it much more easy to install into the hole. And for these 2 models, you may see they have the neck here in silver color. Yes, I show you this. It can disassembling like this. Some cars model maybe need to use this neck to add the height. Then you can install this headlamp.
So this is a detachable,
yes,
the base.
Yes, but this part you can put it off.
Yes, you can
if
make
you
the
don't
higher.
need it, you
yes.
can put it off. If
yes.
you need it, you put it on.
Okay.
Yes. So this design is very, very good.
Yes, very useful.
Suitable for more than 99% different cars.
Yes.
So this model is our most hot selling model now. And here you can put the driver. Put off, then put it
you can
out.
Take out. Take out.
Yeah, take out this and put this in.
Yes.
And when you install this headlight, you need to make sure this fits in the correct way and very tightly.
Sorry, we are wearing the anti-static gloves,
yes.
so not so easy to assemble it. Don't worry. Okay, you can go on.
Okay.
Vivian.
Okay. Okay. Then fix it. Must make it tightly. Then the heat dissipation can be fixed.
Yes, can work
Otherwise,
normally.
yes.
Properly.
Don't easy to broken the LED chip.
Yes.
Okay, you can see.
So this model can do different size. Can be longer and can be shorter. So it can fit for more car models.
Yes. And I think our college already show you our detailed information of this headlight. If you have any other inquiry, any need, any questions, yes, just contact us, send the inquiry to us. Then we will reply to you as soon as possible. And okay, and now I think the LED headlight bulbs assembling workshop is finished for here.
Okay, Vivian, but yes. I have a very important question. I think all of our customers want to know. So you said just now your LED headlight bulb, the quality is very good.
Yes.
So what is your warranty and the guarantee?
Oh, yes.
You can tell us.
Okay.
And how you handling for the compensation goods and the defective goods? You can explain to us.
Okay.
Yes.
And first, our warranty for the LED headlight bulbs and for the fan cooling model, we have 1 year's warranty. And for the without fan cooling model, we have 3 years warranty for it.
Oh, so, 3 years.
Yes, 3 years. And when you found the defective products and still in your warranty period, you can contact us, take the photo or the video to tell us what's the problem. Then after our QC check and confirmed, we can give you the new replacements from the next new orders.
Yes, for the final packing of each goods, we will have this tracing sticker. You can see clearly. This tracing sticker will remark the production time. Yes.
Okay.
This is a waterproof sticker. Yes.
And also, why now as many as customers choose the LED headlight bulbs? Because the LED headlight, the light source, the lifetime is more than 50,000 hours. Wow. And the original halogen light in the car is only with very short lifetime. So when you choose the LED, then you can make a much more warranty period. And also the halogen light, and they will very easy to make the headlight assembling the cover to be yellow and brittled.
The LED, different color.
Yes, and to hurt the cover of the assembling. But the LED light, they never do it because the LED light source are the cold source.
Okay.
They never hurt the cover. Yes. So if you are interested in our LED headlight bulbs, contact us. Yes, send the inquiry now. Okay.
Vivian, don't worry.
Okay, so next we also have 3 different assembling workshops and the laboratory. I think my colleague Celine will help us to introduce.
Yes.
Next workshop, where workshop we will introduce to us.
For the following time, we will introduce our rest assembly workshop for you. First is the LED work light workshop. The next one is the LED light bar workshop. And then we have the LED sealed beam headlight workshop. And the last one, we will invite you to visit our professional laboratories. Okay? Because for the Tuff Plus, we have different kind of goods. Not only for the LED module, LED headlight bulb, we also have the auxiliary lightings like the LED work lights and the LED light bar, and also for the building headlights for the Jeep or for the motorcycle. Yes, we have the LED headlight. Yes. Let's see the different workshop now. Okay, the first workshop we will come to our LED work light workshop. Okay, come with me. For the LED work light shop, we have different production lines. Total, we have 2 lines. And also, this workshop is very special because it has a 4 lines from the production assembling, and then they will have the final automatically packaging line. Yes, we can check them inside this workshop. Okay, here, outside our anti-static and dust-free area workshop, we have the package. This is the package department outside. Totally, we have 3 different packaging lines for different workshops. The near one is the LED work line. The other one is LED light bar, and from the first one is the LED selfing headline. Okay. Okay, here, because we want to change the Wi-Fi here, yes, maybe we need 5 seconds. We will connect correctly Wi-Fi for you. You can wait for us. We will come back soon. Okay, we are ready now. If you can see us, you can type maybe number 1 to us to tell us that you can see us.
Yes.
Okay.
Could I know what's the products do in this LED wall light workshop?
For this workshop, we can go inside and I can explain to you.
Okay.
For this workshop, the main product is for the LED work lights. LED work lights, we have different size and different power. The hot cell power is maybe around 27 watts. Also has 48 watts. Yes, and also we have the LED work lights for the agricultural workers or the construction workers. This is the finished product. This one is for the tractor or the harvester. Yes. For the
so cool.
Yes, very cool and very heavy. You can feel it. Very heavy.
Yeah,
yes. Because the housing, if it's thick enough, then it can conduct the heat directly. Then the light can be more brighter. Yes. And this work light, I can introduce different parts for you. Because at the former time, you only visiting for our semi-product workshops. But for the rest workshop, they are finished products. Yes. First, this is the aluminum housing. Aluminum housing.
I see this very special.
Yes.
And what's the function?
This screw we call it 57 screw. Yes. This is waterproof screw.
Oh.
We use this screw. Will increase our cost, but the light, the quality much more stable.
So what's the waterproof rate for this?
For our LED work lights, because there are many using for the SUV, maybe off-road, maybe for the ATV, yes, UTV, like these workers, construction workers, they are using the light outdoors. So the waterproof standard is very, very important. Yes, for all of our LED work lights, they are with the IP67. Yes, standards. Yes.
It's a good rate to doing the waterproof.
Yes, sure. And also, just we say the housing is aluminum housing, aluminum alloy housing. And then after doing the die casting, we will make the powder coating. You see, for the powder coating, we can do different colors. Normally, we will do the black colors. And some customer maybe sell the goods to the marine machine customer, they will do the white color. Also, if customer want to do their own powder coating color, we can do for you. Yes. The next is about PC lens. This is our PC lens. The PC lens will have the special treatment on it because the LED work light, when it is using on the construction workers, maybe it will have big shock or the impact from outside. For all of our goods, the PC lens is with double side hardness treatment. Yes, and also it with the UV resistant treatment, so that it will not change in color after a long time using. If using the cheap PC lens without any treatment, the PC lens will change color. The light beam for the LED normally is pure white. If the PC lens color change, then the beam color will change. Yes.
And I found the front side. It is with the different color. This one is light green, but this one is black.
Yes,
can the customer choose the different color for the housing?
Yes, sure.
Oh,
They can match They can match and choose the wholesale, maybe wholesale colors among their market. They can share with us. Yeah. Because we do the powder coating by ourselves. And our powder coating warehouse is environmental friendly. Yes. Good. And for the powder coating, we have the 10 cross the inspection pass. Yes, it will protect the aluminum alloy to rust. Yes, so the goods can use longer time. Yes. And also this is for the cable. For the cable, we are using for the silicon cable. Yes, silicon cable can endure higher temperature. Okay. Next, we will show you for the whole production line.
I found the different products. Can I know which kind of vehicle these products use? It looks very special.
Yes, this one is our exclusive design, our design models. Because Tuff Plus is with more than 60 engineers, including the electronic engineers, optical engineers, and the structural engineers, and the PE production control engineers. Yes, this light is very special because it is using for the tractor or for the harvester. Yes.
Oh, the harvester. That means the agriculture vehicles. Yes. The tractors they can use.
Yes, this is a shock and vibration resistance. Okay. Yes, and also the IP rate is 67.
Oh,
yes.
That's good.
Yes, and for this kind of lights, we are using the real Korea LED chips.
Oh.
Yeah, so the quality is very stable.
Very good. Yeah. Yes, I like it.
Okay. Next, we will show you the full production line for our LED work light. First here, we will assemble. First here, this is the semi-product. Yes. First, they will pick up the raw material from the different warehouse. Yes. And then they will make the contact heat grease below the PCB. Because the PCB, when you light it on, it also has a heat. This heat need conduct via the housing. Yes. After doing the grease below the PCB, then we will fix it with the screw. Yes. And after fixing the PCB, we will put this reflector here. Yes, we will put the reflector here. Yes. This reflector, one by one, we are doing the quality control in our IPPC department. Yes. It is semi-product. This is semi-finished product. You can see here, these workers after put the reflector on the lamp, then they will use the screw to lock it, and then they will put the waterproof sealer. Yeah, the sealer, the silicon sealer. And these workers, yes, they will put the PC lens cover and the outer covers together, and these workers will lock the housing, the screw here. After they finish the semi products, all the goods will send to this aging line. As Vivian just now mentioned in the AD module workshop, all of our goods we are doing the 2 hours aging time. And the aging line also set in different temperature. Normally the temperature we will set up 60 degrees. And the wattage for the AD work lights we will set up for the 13.5 wattage. And also if customer has special requirements, maybe they will buy this goods using for the truck or the tractors. This is a control board. Yes. If using for the truck or for the tractors, we will set up different wattage around 24 volts. Yes. Also for this workshop, not only we produce for the LED work lights. Yes. We also produce for the LED warning lights for the
also warning lights.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
For the LED forklift truck warning lights, currently we have different designs. Yes, for the LED forklift truck warning lights, we have the sport zone, we have the line zone. We also have a very new design. It's the U-shaped zone, the arch zone. Yes. Here I want to show you one of our wholesale models. This model here, I want to show you the procedures. This line is special. This line is special. Prepare for this LED warning light. Yes. After the workers take out all the raw materials for our warehouse, they were doing the solder paste, add the solder paste on the PCB, and this part they will assembly for the PCB and for the projector. When they assembly for the projector, they need wearing the gloves to avoid the fingerprint leaves on the projector to influence the bin type. Yes. After semi assembling in this part, they were doing the bin test. You can see from the upside this area to from this table to this area at the top is around 2.5 to 3 meters. This is normally the forklift truck, the warning light using the distance. Yes. So they will check if this bin type is focused. If not focused, they still can adjust the screw for the projector. After they check for the bin test, the assembly goods will come to this way. Then they will finish the inner side assembly, and then to this way they were using this machine to doing the lighting test. Lighting test is normally testing for the voltages or for the currents. Yes. If everyone is okay, then the goods we are doing the aging test. Yes. After the aging test.
I saw this.
Yeah, go with me.
What's this machine?
This machine is our laser engrave machine. Yes. For all of our goods, after customer place the orders for us, we can do their customer logos because many customers say we sell the goods outside. The buyers don't remember our company. Yes, then we can do their logos.
So all the customers, if they want to list their own logo, we can do it for them.
Yes, sure.
Maybe some customers don't like to list in the housing, but they want to list in this PC lens. We also can do it.
Normally, the logo we are doing for this side because for the engraved logo is the light gray color. If doing on the PC lens, the laser maybe harm to the PC lens.
Oh.
Yes, and also you can see for all of Tuff Plus goods, they are with the EMA certificate. And also our main market is for the Europe and for the USA market. Yes. Here we have the EMA number, tracing number here. Our EMA certificate are real. Yes. So all of our goods are on road legally. Yes. This is a very wholesale models. 4.5 inch, the 48 watt.
Yes.
Yes.
That's very good and very hairy.
Yes. Many customers say this quality is done with.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
And also the IP rate, I think is also the IP67.
Yes,
because
sure.
I also have a PG7.
Yes, sure.
And also this is the waterproof connector here.
Yes, this is waterproof connector, 2 pins. This is the male connector. If you need the female connector, you can check with our sales online. Yes, we can send more details for you. Maybe the wire harness can control different 2 lights or 3 lights together. Yes. Okay. Many customers buying this light install on the truck or on the tractor or the harvester because it's a nice light performance. It's very bright. Yes, and the housing is very thick.
Yes.
So it conducts heat very soon. Yes. Okay. So this is the whole line for our LED workshop. Next, we will show you our another workshop. It's the LED light bar workshop. Come with me.
So the next workshop you will introduce is the LED light bar?
Yes, LED light bar. Come with me. Maybe we need this way. This way.
I know what's the difference for the LED light bar to the LED wall light.
LED work light, the beam type is it has different beam type for the sports beam or for the flood beam. Yes, normally customer will need a flood beam. It can bright very wide area. Yes, it's using for the workers like the construction workers or the agricultural workers. Yes, but for the LED light bar, the beam we are designed according to the driving beam. Yes.
Driving beam.
Yes. So for the LED light bar, we all got the EMA certificate for the driving beam is R112.
Oh,
yes.
R112.
Yes. For the LED light bar, Tuff Plus start to make it since 2004, and till now we have around 20 exclusive designs. Yes. For the LED light bar, we have actually different versions. Some is straight version, some is curved version, and some maybe for the single row or double or the double row, or some are for the side bracket, some are for the slidable button brackets. Yes, maybe we will show you how we make the LED light bar now.
Okay. You will introduce the production progress now?
Yes.
Yes.
And before this, we want to tell you that for the LED light bar, most of our customers will ask how we install it and which size is suited for our cars. Normally for our LED light bar, the customer who is driving for the off-road, they will install the light bar on the roof. Yes, in the 50 inch size.
It's very long.
Yes, because normally our car's width is about 1.5 meter.
Oh,
yes, 50 inch is about 1.3 meter.
Oh.
So it's a fish size.
Okay.
And also some customer will install the shorter light bar on the bumper or on the grille. Yes, they were using one or two light bar here, light bar there. Yeah,
okay.
make their night driving to be bright enough.
Only the off-road vehicles can install our LED light bar, and other vehicles can install.
Yes, sure. Our LED light bar is universal worker using.
Oh,
this light bar same as the LED work light. This is aftermarket worker using light. After you buy the workers from different companies, then you can add the LED light bar on your car, and this is on road legally. Also with the EMA certificate.
Good, okay. That's good.
Okay, let me show you the full production line for the LED light bar. Now our production line is making for the one curve. Curve is this. The housing is curved. Yes. Compared with the straight LED light bar, the curved LED light bar. Yes, you can see. The curved LED light bar can make a more wider the beam on the road. Yes. First, our workers will take out different raw materials from our warehouse, and then he will assemble and make the conduct heat below the housing to fix the PCB here. This is the LED light bar PCB. This is the LED chips. This is resistors. Yes. Different lights and different PCB. And then after this part, we will send this boot into our this machine. Here, this procedure is very, very important. You can see here. This is our dehumidifying machine. This machine main function is, even you can feel it. This light is hot now. Yes, this light is hot now. This machine will set up in around 60-degree temperature and put the semi-product, the LED light bar on it. Then the inside of this housing, maybe on the different raw material, there have some moisture inside. We use this machine to keep the inside dry enough. Yes. Because for the LED light bar, the body is very big, so it will be easily to leave the moisture inside. So we need to do that procedures. Yes. After fix the PCB, our workers will put the reflector. We'll put the reflector on the housing. Yes, we will see from that way. Okay. After fix the PCB, the workers put the reflector. Yes, this is the control board for the humidifier machine. Now the temperature setting is 60 degrees. Yes. Our workers will put the reflector on the housing.
And I found the difference
from this reflector.
This with
yes.
mainly the texture, but it's very smooth.
Yes.
Can you tell me why they are different and what's the function?
Yes, sure. For the smooth one, normally the beam output is a spot beam, and for this one have a different rigid. Yes, only on the reflector. This is the flat beam. And normally for the different size, around 20 inch or 32 inch, customer will buy the combo beam. Combo beam means in the middle we will put this reflector. We will have the spot. We will have the spot beam. Yes. Yes, it's the reflector. And from the two sides, they will have use this reflector of the flat beam, so that this LED light bar can bright very far and also can bright very wider. Yes. And also for the LED light bar, we not only have the reflector versions, we also have the projector version. Okay. This is the final assembly. Assembling the reflector, and then they will put the silicon ring to match the waterproof standard. You can see. Here, camera. Here, camera. You can see for the finished product, our workers. Now our workers will make the unit sticker here. Yes, this is unit sticker. Then we can handling the final if have the compensation issues. Yes.
And I see it's email here.
Yes.
And this version have the email approved?
Yes. Yes, we will. Most of our LED light bar almost they are got the email. Yes. This light is only for the high beam, drawing beam. Drawing beam we have the email for the R112 and also have the EMC. This is R10 is for the EMC function.
Oh,
yes.
I found the EMC now is very and more important in the European market. More and more customers are asking the products to do the EMC function.
Yes, yes.
So I think now our products have the ECE R10 approved that it will much more easier to sell in the Europe market.
Yes,
yes, we are hot selling in there.
Yes, nowadays many new vehicles they will have the radios. Yes, and also on the vehicles they have different electronic parts.
Yes.
So we need to concern one point that the goods will not influence other electronic parts working, especially for the radio, because radio will have the different, they need to get the FM or the AM the information. Yes. So R10 now is a very important issue among our customers. Here
and just now I saw it is connected in and turning on. Can you show us the beam pattern?
Sure.
Yes,
we will show you.
More about it.
帮我们点亮一下，这里的这个灯。Yes. Yes, here is the first time inspection, electronic parts inspection. Camera, you can see here. The workers first will check the current and the voltage here, and also she will check for the beam pattern. Yes, and also she need check if every LED chips work normally. Yes, this is the combo beam. You can see this is the combo beam LED light bar.
The beam looks so good.
Really?
Yes.
Yes. Because for the Tuff Plus, we have the very professional optical light distribution engineers.
Oh.
Yes. For our LED light bars, it has a nice beam design. So like this one, this is our new model. Yes, this is a single row new model.
Looks very special. Why the LED chips in the side, not in the middle? And it also looks very slim.
Yes. First, if it is very slim, so it can install on different places. Because some customer prefer to install it on the griller. You know, griller, you need space to make the heat outside. Also, you can install the lamp here. And for this light, the reflector is very special. We call it side emitting reflector.
Side emitting.
Yes, for Tuff Plus, we are the first factory to design the side emitting reflector. For this reflector, the lights will have more space to reflect the beam out. So this light, the light distribution will be better than the normal reflector. It can shine more far. Yes. This is 20-inch, our new LED light bar. One lux, it can bright around 460 meters. It's very, very far. Yes. And this is our aging line for the LED light bar. Okay.
So the production process in this LED light bar workshop is finished.
Now, after doing the aging line, same as the LED work line, they are finished products. We need doing the aging test, the waterproof test, according to the IP67.
Okay.
Yes. If the waterproof test is okay, then the goods will send automatically to the packaging line. Okay. Then these goods will finish. Yes. Then we'll send to the warehouse.
Do the package and send to the warehouse.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. It sounds very good. Very convenient.
Okay. Next, we want to show you another workshop. Is our LED sealed beam headlight workshop. Okay.
The LED sealed beam headlight workshop.
Yes.
And can I know what's the difference for this workshop from the others?
For the LED work lights and the LED light bar workshop, they are for the aftermarket workers.
Okay.
Yes. But for the LED sealed beam headlight workshop, they are built-in.
Built-in.
Yes. For this workshop, first we have the headlights. Headlights is with the finished halo beam headlight. Yes, normally it's for the Jeep Wrangler or for the motorcycle, like the Harley Davidson. Yes, and also can use for the bus, for the tractor, for different vehicles. It has the beam pattern, low beam and high beam. Also, this workshop we have the LED fog lights, LED rear lamps,
rear lamp,
LED indicator, the turn signal lighting. Yes. Okay. For this workshop, we still need 5 seconds to adjust our Wi-Fi. Wait a moment. Okay, we go inside. This is the LED sealed beam headlight workshop.
Wow, I know it's a big machine here.
Yes.
This is very big. Can I know what's the function for this machine?
This machine, we call it hot plate welding machine. This one.
This one?
Yes.
Hot plating.
Rewetting.
A rewetting machine?
Hot plate welding machine. Sorry.
Hot plating.
Welding
machine.
Yes. This is the front side for this machine. This machine main function is to welding 2 plastic parts together properly. Yes, normally it's for the rear lamps. Yes, for the plastic parts, the cover normally is transparent color. If we use it with the glue. The good function glue normally is with black color. If we do the black color, then the light will look ugly.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yes. Also, using this machine to doing the welding, the waterproof standard can be more stable. Can reach for the IP67.
IP67.
Yes.
Don't
Sure.
need to use the glue.
No need. No need.
That's wonderful.
Yes. And this way, I will show you the whole production line for our LED beam headlight workshop. This machine is also very special. This machine, we call it ultrasonic plastic welding machine.
Oh.
Yes. Almost, also, yes, the workers now using this air gun. This air gun is not only make the inside clean, it also has a anti-static functions.
Oh,
yes.
Anti-static.
Yes, we will make sure the inside is 100% anti-static. Yes. Okay. This is ultrasonic welding machine. You see already, he already finished the welding. And we'll have no any glue. Yeah.
Yes, not very good.
Yes. Also for this workshop, I want to show you our other booth. This booth. This is the semi product.
For the nice 90mm high one.
Yes. This one is with halo beam and position lines. Also, it has an EMA certificate. Yes. Now
EMA here, I saw it.
Yes, we will make the EMA tracing number on the PC lens. This light is using the real Ultron LED chips. Yes.
It looks very good
because
it sounds like crystal.
Yes, because the inside we are using the projector. Yes, and the position for the position light.
Yeah.
We have a very nice light guide.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, we will see another line. This line we will doing the assembling same as our other workshop. After we finish the assembling, we are doing the aging test for 2 hours. Here I want to specially introduce you about our 7-inch LED headlights. This is a semi-product, but this headlights we are the first factory in China for doing this design.
Yeah.
Yes. Maybe you can see now in the market many different designs, but they are also in 7-inch, similar design to us, but our quality is the most stable. We are using for the real Korean LED chips, and the volts for this one, total high beam is 80 volts, and for the low beam is 40 volts. Yes, this is for the bigger projector for the low beam. And we will have the reflector in these two sides.
And I also see this here.
Yes, this is a desiccant.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, to keep inside dry enough, no moisture.
Yeah.
And also this we have the built-in decoder. So you are using for the different series of the Jeep Wrangler like the TJ, JK, JL like this. You will no flicker problems.
I think so many different vehicles will use the 7-inch like different motorcycles, and also the Land Rover Defender. Yes, Toyota High Cruise.
Yes, High Cruise, Land Cruise. Yes, this is our aging line. Now it's doing aging test, aging line for the indicator. Same with other workshop. This aging line is also automatically. Also, you can make the control for the different temperature, for the different wattage. And as we mentioned before, this workshop is making for the halo beam headlights. For the halo beam, most of items are according to the ECEE mark certificate, and also some is for the DOT SAE certificate. This machine, we will use it to test the beam tap. First, we need to set up the data here from the different points for the low beam and high beam. Then we will light the lamp on. Then to test if this light producing online is still okay for the beam. not only in the laboratory it is okay, but also after the producing the bin tap, it still can pass the EMA. Yes, for the every headlight we will do this test. After we doing the bin test,
and I found here have a very special machine here,
yes,
like a rubber. And can I know what's the function?
For the robot,
very cool.
Yes, it's a very big machine, like our man's hand. Yes, this machine is a robot, many functions. Yes, many functions. You can see here. First workers need fix the lights, and then the robots will doing the blue sealing automatically. After we set up the process on the controller, yes, you can see the glue is much more average than the people to do the glue sealings. Yes, and also this robot can make the glue more efficiently. Yes, than the old style the glue sealing machine, and we will have the different times checking for this machine. You can check if it works normally. Yes. Okay. Okay, next, Vivian.
So finish this.
Yes, workshop? This workshop already finished.
Okay.
And we will go to our last workshop.
Yeah.
Is our professional laboratory.
Oh,
okay.
The laboratory.
Yes.
Okay.
Go with me.
Can't wait to see it. I think you have many different testing machine equipment in there.
Yes.
Okay. Can I know how many?
In our laboratory, totally we have 10 to 15 machines. Later, I will introduce them to you one by one. Okay. Because for Tuff Plus, all of designs are made by ourselves. For the new designs, we will do the after finish the mold and have the trial orders. We will take the first arrays of samples in our laboratory to do the test. If we pass the test, then we will ask customer to make the orders to us, so the quality is very ensured.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay. Here maybe we need another 5 seconds to set up our Wi-Fi, the internet. Wait a moment. Okay, let's go inside. This is our laboratories. Our laboratories normally has two kinds of testing. First is about optical testing, and the other one is about environmental testing. Environmental testing is simulating our normal drivers conditions, maybe in different climate days and in different temperature the days, or maybe we will introduce the different machines for you one by one. Okay, first we will introduce is this one, the optical testing machine. First is about the integrated sphere machine. This machine is normally testing for the lumen, and also for the power, the current, and for the color temperature. Yes, our
maybe
engineers.
We can ask engineers to open it. The solar ask.
Engineer, you can open it. This sphere, the diameter is 1.5 meter. So it means for the all of Tuff Plus schools, the results is testing under the 1.5 meter. Yes.
And you can see here, I have the current and the voltage in here.
This is normal. 这是正常的吗？工程。这个是提前设定好的吗？
在操作。
We will set up the control points on this computer for the voltage. Yes, this is a controller computer. Yes, for this integrated sphere, normally we were testing the lights from the cold state to the hot state, the stable state. Then we can see the light consumption. Yes. The next is our another machine is for the light distribution testing. This is very special because we have the international standard 25-meter distance.
25 meters long?
Yes, inside
it's dark. We cannot see anything.
Because we need a dark area to catch the beam. And the engineer will open this light and show you. First he need check. First he need adjust the light into the right place. Yes. Let's see how is the normally testing for this light distribution. First, the engineer will set up the requirements according to the EMARC or to the DOT on the computer, and then he will adjust this light. Yes. Okay. Camera, you can come. You can come and check by yourself. This is high-low beam headlights.
Now the engineer help us to turn it on.
Oh, yes, this is low beam. You can see inside.
You can see. Wow, it's with the perfect cut of light.
This is low beam with the right hand driving.
Yes, right hand drive.
It's a sharp cutting line for the low beam.
Very perfect.
Yes, and the computer will catch the beam data, and then we will have the final result to check if this beam passed the EMARC or not. 阳光，动啊！ This is also simulating the lights brightness on the rear road. Yes. Yes, this is for the low beam. 远光看一下。Okay. For this part, if you have any other questions, maybe later you can contact with our sales online. They will reply you more detailed. Okay. Next machine. We want to show you is our constant temperature and humidity machine. This one we can set up in different degrees because many customers they will use the wipers with the lamps in different conditions. Maybe in the warehouse, in the very low temperature warehouse, maybe in the very hot weather countries. Yes, and also in the rainy days, the humidity and temperature is different. We will simulate different environments to test the lamp is still working okay. Yes. After we doing the temperature and the humidity check, we are doing the raining test. This is the raining test. Yes. And this is the control board. According to the IP, different levels. Yes. For the raining test, we have different faucets inside. Simulate the water will come in different directions. The light is still waterproof. Yes. After this machine, we have this. This is the lifespan testing machine. For normally for our booth, we will do around 1,000 hours the lifespan testing. And this light you can see, we already set up the process to on and off. The function is almost the same as our LED headlight bulb, the aging line, with on off functions. After several times testing, if this light is still working okay, then you can use it on your normal cars because you will also need the on and off. Yes.
And this is the lifetime testing. And yes. Normally our company will test how many hours for the products.
Normally we will do around 1,000 hours.
1,000 hours?
Yes.
And if customer want to do more time tonight, 2,500 hours, is it okay?
Yes, sure.
Okay,
sure. We can do the testing and make the record for you.
Yes.
Yes. Also, this next machine is the salt spray machine. For all of our booths, we are doing the salt spray machine testing. Yes, the light is inside. This machine, we will put a lamp inside for 10 days. After 10 days, we will take out the goods. If every part is still okay, the powder coating is still okay. Yes, this is the salt spray machine. Next is our waterproof testing machine. Waterproof tester machine. This machine, the height is 1.2 meter. Yes, this machine can test the light under the IP67 standard. Yes. IP67 is put the light under 1 meter depth and half an hour and take out to light its own. If still okay, no moisture in the lamp, then the light can work on the IP67 condition. This is also the constant temperature and humidity machine, same as the first one.
It says constant temperature and humidity, but if we want to do the high temperature and the low temperature different testing, also can use this machine?
Yes, sure. We can set up the different temperature together.
Okay.
Yes. We call it the high temperature and the low temperature impact.
Okay.
Yes. The next machine in our laboratory is for the EMC function. Just now we talked in the AD light bulb workshop for the R10.
R10.
Yes, it's for the EMC. For our laboratories, this machine is testing according to the P5 standard. Yes, P5. And other machine is about anti-static impact to the light. Yes, you can see different machine, different functions. Yes, this is an anti-static impact machine to test if the light other parts with the anti-static impact is still working okay. Will it broken or the blast at the sudden static impact? Yes. So this is the laboratory OR machines. As we mentioned just now, for all of our new products, we will do the different testing in these laboratories. Also for the mass orders, our engineers will take out some samples from the mass orders to test if the data is still same as the first samples. Yes. So that the qualities from all of our customers will be same as the samples they have. Yes, we will not send the samples to you at first quality and then send the mass orders goods to you at the second quality. This is impossible. We want to do the long-term business. Yes, this is the function for our laboratory. And if you have any other questions, you can contact with our sales.
And actually,
yes,
we also have other tests I cannot do in our laboratory, but we can ask outside the
yes
official laboratory. Yes, how to do it, like the vibration test, the shock test, and the dust-free test.
Yes.
Yes, and the customers want which kind of the testing they can tell us. Then we can how to do this to you.
Yes.
Yes.
And we will have the professional testing report.
Yes.
Yes.
So, and also, if you have any inquiry of the LED auto lighting products, you can send us the inquiry. And
yes. Also, if you have the new products you want to develop, or you have some OE customer, you can contact with Tuff Plus, because Tuff Plus already have more than 5 years experiences for doing the OE projects. Yes. I think today's introduction, you can already know how is Tuff Plus working, which kind of goods we have. Yes. And also we can do the LED module, and for the finished OE goods, yes, we are well equipped with professional machines and the engineers. Yes, you can contact with us.
And no matter where countries you are from Europe or from the Indian or from the USA, we can reach the standard you asked. Like the Europe, maybe you will ask the AC standard.
Yes.
Yes. And for the Indian, you may ask the AIS standard.
Yes.
And for the USA, Canada, maybe you will ask the
for the
DOT.
SAE, DOT,
Oh, yes.
standard.
We can do it for you too. And also we can get the GB standard in China, the
Yes.
CCC standard.
Yes.
Yes.
Different standard.
Yes, you just tell us your what's your requirements.
Yes.
Yes, we can do it for you. And our OEM and ODM service are available. You can tell us what's your idea and what's your design. And you can also send us your samples, then we can help you to develop it.
To upgrade your samples, maybe your very new designs. Yes.
Yes.
You will win the market while selling Tuff Plus goods.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Vivian.
Yes.
So after this show, do you have any other goods or any other items to show with our customers?
Yes, and half hours later, our colleague Yenna and Kevin will start another live show, and they will help us to introduce you our different series products like the LED headlight, fog light, rear light, and also the LED work light, warning light, and LED headlight bulbs. And many different products they will introduce to you in the next live show, just half hours later.
Half an hour.
Yes, and also in that show, we will have many big promotion.
Yes.
We will have the coupons to you, and please, you need to pay attention for it. Then you can get a coupon, clean the coupon, and send the inquiry to us. Then we can give you the big promotion. The big discount.
Yes. Today we will have many shows. Yes. We will show you the most wholesale models in Tuff Plus companies, and also we will show you our new designs. Only Tuff Plus have this design. Yes. You can see the more details, different products, different informations while our next online show. Yes. So I think we already finished all of our company introduction already, and we sincerely to invite you come and visit us by yourselves. Our location is in Foshan, in Foshan City, in Guangdong Province.
It's not so far away from the Guangzhou.
Yes.
And if you go to the Guangzhou, it will make very convenient to come here, just around 40 minutes.
Yes. Very convenient.
Yes.
Okay. See you.
And also, actually today we will have 3 live show, and this live show will be finished around several minutes later. But half hours later, we will have another live show to introduce our wholesale products, and then later, after the second-hand live show, we still will have another live show to introduce our new launch design product.
Totally new.
Yes. So you need to pay attention to it, and we will release many different coupons and give you the big promotion to it.
Okay, thank you for your patience and attention paid for us today.
Yes, if you have any inquiry, any questions, any needs, don't wait to send to us.
And waiting you.
Yes, our sellers will get back to you as soon as possible. We give you reply to give you answers very fast.
Okay, thank you.
Today,
thank you, Vivian.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. See you
next time.